Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get these Halloween items on Plants vs. Brainrots. So I know Halloween is over. It's actually been 4 days, but Plants vs. Brainrots just started the spooky event last week. So basically, you will need to defeat Headless, Pumpkin, and Candy Corn Brainrots, and you'll earn candy corns. As you can see, I have 870 candy corns here. This is what the Brainrots could look like. This is the candy corn. Wait, I got this one! Oh my god! Sorry, I'm very excited. This is my first Controlaza. I don't know how to pronounce it. But basically, this is what the candy corn looks like. Let me see if I have any of the Headless. No, because I auto sell them. Okay, I don't have the pumpkin either. But you're then going to purchase the one you want, and you can get these. So the candy Brainrot crate, you'll get the Headless Horseman, Cascado, I do not know how to pronounce this, and Scalini Futura. This is the rarest one, and then you can also get the Halloween card pack and the Candy Spooky Crate. You can get the Witch Potion, Medusa's Head, Scalini Futura again. You can also get the Halloween card pack or the Web Grenade. And that is it. I'll go more detail on the rewards, but yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.